something we often run into whenever a new interface is coming up, and this is true of mobile, right? Where initially we probably went from print into desktop first and foremost, and then
Yeah.
started porting experiences from desktop to mobile. Well, mobile is different from a computer. You have a smaller screen size, so you have some different limitations, but you also have location awareness. So you have some new ability to be contextually relevant. We're just at the tipping point now, starting to use that in voice in the same way. Where
It's funny you say that, because in history, when internet was starting to get commercialized, I'm an OG, so I've been there since the very beginning. The initial websites were called brochures. Basically, can I put my brochure up on the internet?
yeah,
And that was the term being used. Brochure was the term being used. The e-commerce came much later than that, but the initial sites, everything looked like a brochure, basically. Some of them actually literally took the brochure photo or scan, and then they just uploaded it. They didn't even bother to type it into HTML,
I mean, those first couple of years of voice, that's exactly what we were getting to. It's why you can find about 1,000 different recipe skills and actions on there, because every packaged good brand had a recipe section in their website with a whole bunch of searchable content that sounded really easy to reformat for voice. And it's also why when you use a lot of those recipe experiences, it's pretty impossible to get through a recipe. They're rigid. They're designed as though you're scrolling around a page with written text that you can come back to whenever you want. You have as much time to use. In voice, there's a whole different set of design considerations. And so it's not to say you can do really great recipe experiences on voice. I'm actually, both the platforms have pretty nice first-party experiences now, and I'm an advisor to a company who's really trying to use that multimodal. So we say multimodal as both voice and video and visuals together to create really immersive, awesome recipe experiences.